Hello, Bella. What would you like to buy today? We have pears on sale. I want to buy a pear. Do you want an apple too? How many fruits would you like to buy? If I buy a pear and an apple, I'll have 3 fruits, right? Bella, I hear that you don't know all the numbers yet. Some are easy for me, some are a little difficult, but I try to practice every day. Come on, I'll show you number 2. 2 pears, 2 strawberries, 2 plums, 2 apples, 2 peas, 2 chicken. Now I'm going to show you how to write the number 2. Start at the top, make a curve down and end with a horizontal line. That's the number 2. Now have fun practicing. Thanks, Gigi Giraffe, for teaching me how to write 2. 2 apples, 1 worm.
Flip, flop.